Today we're going to be doing a brownie experiment, and the objective of this experiment is to see which is better to cook our brownie mix in, a glass pan or a metal pan. So the first thing that we need to do is get our brownie mix and prepare it. So I'm going to take one box and dump it into the bowl. Okay, and then we'll follow the directions on preparing it. So the first thing I need to do is I need to get 1 egg. So right now our brownie mix is powder. And if I add an egg to it, this will result in a physical change, because I can easily take my egg out and it'll still be an egg and there'll still be brownie powder. The next thing I need to do is put in a 1/4 cup of water. This is also a physical change, because even though it would be difficult to get our water out, we can still have water, egg, and our brownie mix. And then the last thing is our vegetable oil, which again is also a physical change. So now we're going to mix it up. Okay. And then we are going to put this mix into our glass pan. All right, so now we are going to put this batter into our glass pan, which I sprayed both our glass and our metal pan with some spray. So now I'll put this in the pan. Oops. And spread it around evenly. And then we're going to do the same exact thing with our other brownie mix and put it into our metal pan. So now we're going to do our other brownie mix. We're going to take it, let's take it out of the box first. Okay, we're going to put our egg in, just like last time. And then we're going to put our water in. And then we will mix in 1/3 of a cup of oil, which for this experiment, I used the same type of water. I used the same eggs from the same egg carton, and then I used the same type of vegetable oil. So all of these ingredients would be our control variables, because I don't change them. Okay? All right. So now I'm going to mix this. Okay, now I will put this into our metal pan, which was also sprayed with the same spray as our glass pan was. And spread it around. All right, now we're going to talk about these 2 different pans. We are going to cook both of these brownie mixes into a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven, and they will be both cooked for about for 43 minutes. And we're going to see which one will give us a better result of our brownie mix. So because I have two different pans, but we're using the same brownie mix and same ingredients, these pans would be considered our independent variable because I am changing the pans to see which one is better for our brownies. However, our dependent variable is the effect of our independent variable. So when we take our brownies out of the oven, the doneness of each brownie will be our dependent variable. So now we'll put them in our oven. Okay, so now I have our brownies at our oven. The temperature is at 325, and I'm going to set my timer for 43 minutes. So let's go ahead and put this brownie in the oven. They're both going to cook at the same time, and we're gonna set our timer right now. 3 minutes is up. I took both of our brownies out of the oven, and if you see in our glass pan that our brownie is still raw and it's not cooked all the way through. However, if we go to the pan, our metal pan, you can see that our brownie is cooked all the way through. So our conclusion for this experiment is that it is better to cook our brownie mix in a metal pan than the glass because it'll cook quicker. Thank you.